Hi. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the first session and the major issue that it really tries to address, which is how do you know in a clinical setting that A causes B? Now, when we're dealing with the natural sciences, the way you try to show that is you have experiments where you have only one factor that differs between the experiment and the control. And then if in the case of the experimental device there's a difference, you can attribute that to the one thing which differs between the two settings. Now, in a clinical situation, that's impossible. I mean, theoretically, what you'd want to do, example, if you wanted to test the effects of a drug on a certain condition, then what you'd want to do is you'd want to take a person, have them take the drug, and then follow them for a certain amount of time and take them off the drug and see what happens to them. But that doesn't really tell you what the effect is, because meanwhile you've had a person who's been on the drug for a while. Similarly, if you had a person and you had him off the drug and then you put him on the drug after a while, you have a person later on in that condition. So it really becomes extremely difficult conceptually to try to do that. So the randomized controlled trial has been developed to try to address that issue and to try to figure out a way so that at least statistically we can claim that the people who are on the intervention versus the people who are on the control are identical. As we'll see, there are a lot of complications that arise from trying to accomplish that, but that's really the major issue that this is trying to address. I hope you enjoy your meetings and your assessment questions.